I've created the new file, but before starting that, I want you to take the notes like I always say. So what are conditionals? Conditionals are used for controlling the execution of Let me show you with the help of demonstration. Let's suppose I have the variable named age whose value is 18, and now I want to do something based on the age of the user. How I'm going to do it is basically with the help of if-else statement, which are basically conditionals. Let me tell you what is the syntax of conditionals. Write it down. Syntax is if condition or conditions statements, else statement. I'm going to tell you what is this basically statements and conditions, but write it down this syntax. This syntax is very important. What do I mean is, if age is greater than 18, print you are greater than 18. Else print age. What I have do it, this is basically conditions, like I have told you in previous video about the conditionals. If the age is greater than 18, then ask him you are greater than 18. Otherwise, just simply print the age of the user. If otherwise, if this condition is true, this statement will be executed. If otherwise, this statement will be executed. If this statement is true, this statement will be executed, and this statement will not be executed. Let me run it and you will see it yourself. Age 18. Why? Because age is not greater than 18. Let's suppose I do here 19 rather than 18 and now run it. You are greater than 18. This statement has been executed and this didn't. Why so? Like I have told, only one statement will be executed. Alright. What if the age is 18? I also want to allow the 18 years old. I do it 18 and now I entered greater than or equals to. Okay. And now if I run it, you are greater than 18, because this is also true. Age is equals to 18 as well. Now what if I only want to allow 18 only? Very simple. By implementing else if. Here is where else if come in. Now what is the syntax of else if? If I have more statement, I have to add more if statement. Let me copy it because most of it is same. I copied and pasted. Now after if statement, I have Elif. Elif condition statement. Again Elif, I can add hundreds, thousands of Elifs. Conditions I mean statement, and it will go on, and then at the end else. Else is basically not necessary. Even if I remove here else, it will still move on. Now I have removed the else, and now if I run it, you are greater than 18. No errors. You can add if as well. You can add Elif and with if. F is basically if you want to show something if something goes wrong. Alright. Now I'm going to go with Elif now. I'm gonna create a new variable. Now the previous age is fine. Age equals to 18. And now I do if the age is greater than 18, print and tell the user you are greater than 18. Alright. Now what if age is equals to 18? Elif age equals to 18, print you are 18. Else print you are less than 18. Clear so far? If the age is greater than 18, you are greater than 18. Otherwise, if the age is equals to 18, you are 18. Otherwise, tell him, yeah, you are less than 18. And now if I run it again, let me just comment it out first because I don't want it to print out something. Age is 18, remember it. You are 18. Elif block has been executed because my age is equals to 18. Hope the conditions are clear so far. In the next video, we will basically make the project a safe world where we will be storing something and playing with the if statements. That was it from today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.